Hello, change champions of Australia and New Zealand. This is Tim Creasey, Prosci's Chief Innovation Officer. Excited to announce that I'll be down there for 2 weeks in November for a special 3-city tour. We're going to be in Brisbane, November 6th to the 8th. We'll be in Sydney, November 11th and 12th. And we'll be in Melbourne, November 13th to the 15th. And in each city, we are bringing 4 very special events. We're going to be doing a change conversation breakfast focused on organizational agility as a strategic imperative, because the winners of the future will be those who can outchange the competition, their customer demands, and market changes. We'll talk about why agility matters, what it means, and how you can contribute to growing organizational agility. In each city, we're going to do an evening networking event where we'll look at the frontiers of change management. Where is this discipline going in 2020 and beyond? And really have you share your insights and perspectives around where the discipline is heading. And in each city, we're going to do 2 special advanced workshops. The first is the value, art, and science of the Prosci Change Scorecard. We'll look at the construct and the tool that we can use to define, track, and measure the impact we're having in change management. The second workshop is called How to Enlist, Engage, and Empower Your Sponsors. We'll look at the power of context and language when we get our sponsors on board. We'll look at the symbiotic relationship we can create with our sponsors, and we'll look how to ad-car our sponsors to help them be more effective sponsors. Really looking forward to coming down under. I hope to get to meet you and see you there. Visit prosci.com.au to learn more and claim one of the limited spots for these special sessions.